webinar on condition monitoring sensor and toolkit. I am Sagar Danane, sales engineer from Balluff India. Today we will have brief introduction about the Balluff group and condition monitoring toolkit. In this session, we will explore how Balluff automation enhance efficiency, reliability and performance across the condition monitoring system. We are a dedicated partner for industrial automation and offers more than 100 years. And headquarters in Germany. We have 3,900 employees worldwide, and we have the 40,000 product with us. The Balluff story. You can see that Balluff story began in 1921 when the Gebhard Balluff founded the company as a mechanical repair workshop. As a making start of the journey, the would lead to the global innovation in 1956. Balluff entered the field of sensor technology and expedites the product and portfolio, setting stage for the future advancement. And the company opened in first foreign subsidiary in 1971, beginning its internationalization and extending as such worldwide by 2021. Next. Let's see for the Balluff vision. Reflect the Balluff commitment to industrial automation using the advanced machine vision and imagining the technologies and the fashion for the automation to help the lead customer toward the successful future. Mission. Our mission is to deliver innovations, a solution that is improve your competitive position with the speed and measurable results. This is our global footprint for Balluff. We are in 38 subsidiaries for sales, production, logistic and development, with a further representative in 68 countries and a 7 production site worldwide. You can see we are in Asia Pacific, in Japan, Australia, Malaysia, Singapore and China. Moving ahead. Balluff India head offices in India in Pune, and we have the warehouse in Mumbai. We are sales offices in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Bangalore and Chennai. For next short video, we'll see for short video. Welcome back. Our market segment. Balluff has a expertise in many different technologies in a variety of industries such as automotive industries, alternative drives technology, assembly system, robotic, energy, factory automation, foods and beverage, metalworking, packing industry, plastic, rubber and tire. For this is our Balluff portfolio. You can see that we have the sensor, industrial network, RFID, human machine interferences, machine vision, power supplies and connectivity and accessories. Our services for agile project management, focusing on the ongoing customer and interacting the progresses, frequent delivery of functional result, and supportability, and customized solution 24 into 7 account management and our technical support for us assistance. Let's come uh, let's talk on the condition monitoring sensor. You can see that we have the three types of level sensor. One is entry level. In that you can we said in Balluff BCM double 0001 for an entry level, and in that you can measure the performance and the data processing in 1800 hertz. For that advanced level, in Balluff we called for the BCM 0004 for advanced level, for maximum measurement and performance data processing for 4500 hertz. And the premium level we said in a BCM 0003 as a premium level to maximum the measurement performance and data processing in time domain with 4500 hertz. Here you can see the benchmarking for the condition monitoring sensor. You can detect the potential machine downtime, innovation housing concept for the convenient and fixed reliable mounting, and raw data and frequency data recording and transmission for the individual analysis. Moving to next slide. Here's our new product for BCM Gen Z2, which have a new feature added like easy mounting, trigger data recording, and teach mode for that, alarm setting, and vibration and transmission, raw vibrations. Next. As we discussed previous slide, BCM Z2 sensor feature compared to BCM Z1 sensor as per amplitude spectrum and developed spectrum for the Gen Z2, and which not updated on older version for BCM Z1 sensor. For a next, you can see the mounting for BCM sensor, which easily adjustable and less failure to mount and easy align with axis. For M5 mounting screw for a less effort to drill. Here you can see the bearing component like ball, outer face and inner face to rotate a different frequency, and you can track the analog graph to check the hikes and alarms. For in this graph, you can see that the factors input output RPM, bandwidth for the 2%, and automatic adjustment for the frequency bands. Next. Here in that graph, for that adjustment for the frequency band, you can smart baseline learning for that machine normal vibrations, signature and updates, and dynamic condition. You can check that frequency band continuously, optimizing with the nominal reducing setup for efforts. And the third one is important for the fault detection. For that setup pace RPM in via IO-Link. For onboarding processing, IO-Link communication and external RPM input. For the sensor work together for a smart RPM input, you can see that external RPM input transmission of the pulse signal for the binary with PNP and pulse full switching output, and outboard processing determination of RPM by the BCMs, and IO-Link communication transmission of the vibration parameters and the characteristic of values. You can see that how we can find out the right sensor. Okay, to identify the stable position for the drive shaft for the bearing generation, the RPM, define the number of switching pulse as per the revolution, determine the maximum rotational speed of your drive shaft. In this slide, you can see the integration network For the accessories, we have the level 2, like advanced and premium. We have the optional accessories for mounting, like magnetic mounts, adhesive adapters, and screw adapters. Option available in Balluff. For that same smart input, smart RPM input for the Y connector, we have the option available, and for same sensor also we have the inductive and the photoelectric sensor for RPM measurement. For that CMTK integration process, you can use the IO-Link master for integration in a control system. We have the BNI triple BNI 001 and BNI 00KS, and for the CMTK condition monitoring toolkit for IT integration, you can use BNI 002. A condition monitoring toolkit. Here's that basic condition monitoring system. This system is user friendly. You can easily set up and customize your plugin and plugin approach. We have the internal powerful hardware and internal memory 32 GB and SD card support. For module extension, up to 5 IO-Link master integration as a many as a 40 additional IO-Link devices. Analog to digital converter for integration, analog sensor for PT100 and PT1000 temperature sensors. For CMTK basic condition monitoring system, as we seen in the last slide, as a plug and play approach, keep information. Next. And standalone system, high compatibility with many sensors, and unlimited expandability, connected upwards. You can see that condition monitoring application in the next slides. Here you can see that for application base perfectly configured as a customer, customize your BCM sensor perfectly to your individual applications, and convenient to use, quick to implement, and versatile in a use. For that, as application start, you can start the our application assistant. Select which machine type you want to monitor. Select the monitoring for function and bearing that the sensor should perform. Select the bearing from our extension database with more than 1,60,000 types. You are sure to find the right one. You will receive an overview of automatically set bearings frequencies. For configuration to your monitoring function and complete, can be upload the sensor with one click. For sensor perfectility configured for your application and monitoring the relevant vibration parameters. For that overview of a CMTK device. You can see that enhancement through the new app concept. Here you can automatically detect the data, integrated, stored, and visualization. Here you can see that as is so system according to your needs, simple, fast, and modular, expandable. As for full access, the raw acceleration and the spectrum. Yeah. Okay, you can sign up for the Balluff Balluff website for the product, and you can QR code and get free samples. Balloop Balloop Web Shop has no hidden charges, has easy payment options, gives you as an instant confirmation for the most important uh, and best deals. You can connect with us via links provide the description below. So that is from my side. Thank you. Yes, for coming to the questioning, please let us know and put your question in the chat box. We will get back to you. Thank you.